Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Operation Exploration. In this here episode we're going to look to finish the rest of this here power station. We will like to make some sort of a ship that will go to Titan and plot our waypoint. This ship will probably have like lots of reactors in it, but I'm sure we'll think of something as we go along. So let's get right into it. Okay, so it looks like it has finished what it can. The rest of the plates have been added, I hope. Yeah, that was quite quick. Right, let's get that stocked up. So I think we just need power cells, motors as well as some other things. But we are getting this built quicker than I thought. Usually think we'd be doing loads and loads and loads of runs, but and motors as well. That's right. Alright, let's take this back and get them things. Let's see. Voyage CC. Okay. Right, let's get some motors. Oh, let's see how production's doing. Oh, it's done. Nice. That's the benefits of having so many samplers. Okay, let's go to base CC and add in the rest of that stuff. So we need just trying to see what's missing there. Oh, these. As many of them as possible. Power cells. How are we looking computers? We do need displays, so we'll take over loads of them. And this here. And motors as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to do base CC1. And then we're going to do the assemblers, move everything over. We've maxed out there, so let's go to 2 and base CC3. Let's move everything over to there, so just to keep one free. And there is base CC4. I keep forgetting about that one. Okay, and let's go back to voyage, and let's go to base CC1. There's the motors. Let's get the rest of those. Them displays will do rightly. Let's go to 2. Rest of them motors.
Meteor storm inbound.
And that should be it. Yeah. Let's go. I would love to get like an exterior view of me doing that, taking off and then just doing a pure 3-point turn. Not really a 3-point turn, but whatever it was. That was actually really close. Oh, better pitch up. Asteroid was really close. I don't think we got this part here welded, but we'll do that now. Maybe we did. Oh, there it goes. Just doing the rest of them metal grids. Let's go up. Okay, let's have a look. See that the hydrogen's starting to get a bit low, so I'll just keep an eye on that. What is that waiting on? Yeah, it's just motors really. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's get landing gear on the bottom of that again. I might just stick to the large one because No, it's down the depth that I want it to be. Oh. Oh, maybe we'll try this one. Yeah, let's try that one there for the crack. There we go. That'll keep things there. Now look at the the hydrogen refilled on us. So 1, 2, 3, and there's none there. Let's get that one. That'll do this. Right, let's see what we need to do now. Suppose we get them drills sorted. 2 pistons above the ground. So we've got drills. Drills are 3 blocks. Pistons are 2 blocks. 2 blocks. So that's 4, and that 3 is 7. So it needs to be 7 blocks above the ground plus a rotor, which is 8. So we need to be 8 blocks above the ground. There's no full blocks, so if we're going to be building it, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that'll be the rotor there. The rotor will be on this here level. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's up there. That's all right. Let's. I was going to give it a paint job. I think might leave that later on. Let's get the basics of everything going. So we'll get the drill sorted first. Obviously, the drill's going to come out the back of this. So if you imagine another part of the wall came along here, the windows would be out. So there'd be like a wee walkway where you can walk past all this stuff. That's why there's a block between here and the 3 block wide here. It's just, you know, so there's a walkway down here. There will be possibly another walkway. Yeah, that's right. What I meant to say was this is coming out 1, and then this here is coming out 2. That means that this will be out 1, that'll be out 2, and it'll be the right. No, like it'll be square, and you can walk around. No, like along here. But you won't be able to walk down there because the windows and stuff's coming up. Although they can be half blocks, but I might do a similar setup to the moon where it, like chamfers in, make it look better. Okay. I keep looking at my microphone because I'm always conscious that I've muted myself. Because you just have to tap the top of it and it mutes it. And there's been so many times where I've got up and my elbow has hit it. Let me see. Okay, let's do that. I'm trying to think of an existing conveyor system we can just join into, but I think it'd be better just going into the middle of this. So let's go in here, and then let's take this over a bit out of the way. There we go. And then we change this here for this one. But this is going to be the junction cross. There we go. And that's going to be pipe. I suppose we could do it there. I think it would make sense to actually start building the walls around. So let's get them. There we go. Armor blocks. This is coming out 2. Right. Let's get this. There we go. So that'll do the rest of there, and we mentioned that there is a window coming up. Let me see, what way was it in the last base? It was half blocks. Although Half windows. These here were nice, but they're too narrow. Yeah, they're too narrow. It'd be better if they were a wee bit wider. So let me see. How are we going to do this? So there's gonna be corner block there. We'll just do it like 2 windows or 3 windows. Let's do a test block. Let's put that there and put it to blue so we know which one to mark. And let's get some more plates. So if we imagine pillar, maybe 3. That works. Yeah, 3 blocks. Got a window coming up in the middle. That works really well. Very, very well. Oh yeah, and this triangle box goes over there. And then we got the windows. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Let's replace all that. Okay, so what's gonna go here is now I'm actually tempted to replace all that with slightly chamfered. So it goes in a wee bit. Looks like it's coming out. So what I mean is, let me see, I'll just quickly show. Is this one here 6? But we rotate it round like that way. Yeah. And then it comes up in each corner. Yeah, I do like the look of that. Let's do that. There we go. Now, let's get what we were seeing going here. Now, I think this one... Oh, sorry, no, that's not right. What I'm thinking of. Let's go back to 6. So if we mention there's a block there. So we go 1, 2, 3, like that. Yeah. 3. Yeah. It's going on all the corners. That's right. Let's move all them on. I'll put them on. And then it's half blocks going up, which is 6. There it is. But I'm not sure how far that's going up. Let's see. The roof probably comes to there's level and then it's flat. Yeah, it goes flat off. So yeah, there'll be they'll probably chamfer off again. So it would be this one, but it goes back out to this. Yeah, and then that'll be all inside will be flat. And then at these points here will be probably like guns, so a gun here, a gun here, gun there, rocket launcher. Wait, where's the middle? Oh, there is no middle. Yeah, so Gatling, 4 of them. And then probably would make sense for this here to be a junction, have that come straight up to a rocket launcher. Or we could have 4 rocket launchers inside, or rocket launcher on the outskirts, and then 4 turrets in the middle. Yeah, that would make sense. And then this here is quite ugly, going around the edges. I'm actually kind of tempted to drop that down. It comes into a conveyor junction here, and then that can go on out. I think that would make sense. So conveyor junction there, another conveyor junction here that drops down to it. Or, yeah. See. Yeah, this would be just a normal conveyor. Where is it? There it is. Let's replace this. That's going there because we want to be a solid block, and then these are just normal pipes coming up. And it comes into a corner. There we go. And then that can pipe out to a long arm. Yeah, that would make sense. So this would be just conveyor pipe. Well, let's make it a bit interesting. Let's go with the end. Yeah, so it looks like it's actually doing something. And these would just be normal pipes coming out through the drills. And then there'd be like a support arm every so often. So if we are going to be doing the roof there, then it would make sense to have the junctions on top like that. Let's get them built first, and let's get the guns on top there. And then Gatling turrets. I want to get them up quickly. Let's face them out the ways. Yeah, it's passing, so it is. See right there, it's stopped at 144 and it'll go up to 145. There. Go. So they are up. We haven't got any magnesium, so again, not a huge deal. That's gonna annoy me now because that's not. The window's gonna go over and it's not gonna be flush. Yeah, I think we should just do another conveyor. Another conveyor there. And then it goes out to pipe. That way we can do like a flush window going across. So let's build the rest of this. 6. There we go. And then the roof can be kind of want the roof to come in sort of flat and taper up a wee bit and come back down again. I don't want it to be flat. I want to give it a bit of shape, you know. How many would we get away with putting up here? Oh, nice. Exactly. Was that 4? Okay, let's get some blocks done. Don't have the right ones, so let's get rid of that. And get some these. There we go. Let's get this built. Yeah, let's get the drills ready to go as well. What does that actually look like now from a distance? It's hard to say, but yeah, let's get these here right. Conveyor. This one. Let's match it up with the color of this. Conveyor pipe. Let's go. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, let's get some more. Come out another wee bit. And let me just see how many blocks it is between that. Let me see, it's temporary. This. I've accidentally changed the color. Oops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and we're not going to get any lower than that. So that's 10. We need to be 1 rotor, 2 pistons, and a drill. So that's 3. This 2 pistons is 4 blocks, plus the drill is 7. Rotor is 8, so we need to come 2 blocks down and then do the rest. So like 2 blocks, so let's color code them. So that'll come down 2 blocks normal. So that'll be a rotor, piston, 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 drill, drill, drill. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Conveyor. So that's going to a normal pipe. Then we have rotor. Advanced rotor at that. Two pistons. And a drill. I'm so mad if this doesn't go on. Oh, you for real? Oh wait, the displacement, I just forgot. We might actually be able to... Yeah, let's take that a bunch up. That should be it now. Yes. Yes. And then we do a huge arm. Yeah, that's better. Why is that shown as not connected? Because I have clearly done something wrong. Something's not built here. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, let's keep this going. Okay, that's all good to go. Let's get it all set up. So the drill. And we'll just go drills. Let's set the rotor as velocity 0 0.01, I think. Oh yeah, the torque as well. Let's just see the speed. Yeah. I set it to down to 4. I think that'll be enough. Maximum distance is 4. Oh, no, that's too much. Yeah, let's leave it at that for now. I better to go quicker. Let's try 0.02. I think we can get away with that. Yeah, we can. Of course we can. Alright, let's see how Evan's doing. Evan should be just working away now. I think they're getting done at the moment. We just can't hear them. Let me just go to this here and we should see. Yeah, there's the ice there. Now we have to power cycle the base for Evan to work. There we go. The power station is now officially active. Where is the hydrogen? Yeah, they're here. Okay, so they're starting to fill up, that's good. How long until they are fully charged? An hour, very good. Excellent. Alright, let's give it a proper colour scheme. Needs to be a bit of a brighter yellow. There we go. Let's do these here in black. Okay, let's see what we can get. Ideally, I would like that to be there and then catwalk.
Meteor storm inbound.
Okay, so most of the catwalk has been welded, and we do need to fill up on some construction components. Oh no, they look okay. I think it's just steel tubes. Let's do a quick walk around. Yeah, construction components and steel tubes. This is the painting scheme that we have gone for in here. So they look like copper pipes, rusted tanks, batteries, O2 generators, engines, and yeah, we have saved up on so many junction blocks. So the only junction blocks you see are in here. Over there is the same, and then the ones going out there, and then of course the ones that are linking all them tanks together. So I'm really happy with that. I thought there'd be like a junction box per every one of these here, but we were able to utilize them all, that it doesn't, like need them. They're all connecting to each other without having to use a junction box. So that's taking advantage of the it's taking advantage of the actual block itself. So we have this big long sort of drive, if you imagine, that comes out. Still needs to be welded. It's just this wee small part here. I am trying to think of what type of fence or like barrier to put on the end of this. My game is very laggy today, so what I might do is actually restart the game, but I'll just explain over this here first. So we'll put some sort of a barrier up along here. I might use the there's like beam blocks, and then there's these heavy armor plates. Let me see what they look like. I think I might use something like these, but maybe like half block, like them there. Just put them along here at their side. And then there's these beam blocks, which is these, although they look fairly big. Not so much for what we need. Yeah, it's a slope. But yeah, I think what we'll use is these ones here, and just put these here along, so they're like a kind of barrier. But as I was saying in the, well, not really that long ago, a few episodes ago, that we would have a road system that would go between all the bases. So the way that would be is that, let me see, so the base direction is right over there, so we follow it up along here and then go out. So what I was going to do is, and it might sound a bit cheaty to some people, but I was going to open this world app in creative mode and get the voxel hand and go around and paint the ground like an asphalt colour, like a black. There is like a sort of dark black ground colour you can do. It's like deep under the rock. I was thinking of covering that in the ground. That would be like our new road system. I'm not going to worry about road markings. It's not really needed. But I was going to build a road, and it's too resource heavy, far too resource heavy, and it wouldn't even be used half the time, so it's just a waste. And obviously, of course, it's going to take too much time off the series. So yeah, I think the voxel hands would be the best thing. But there's a nice gradual slope that goes up here. See, if we go down to gravity level here and look up, you can see that it just goes over there, or we can go up over the hill. A nice gradual slope. We could put like some sort of fancy barrier, like security box system in, like a checkpoint before you go in, and or like a deployable barrier that goes up and down. So that'd be kind of cool. Like a wee checkpoint for security. Just like maybe like a single post, or maybe a checkbox here, a barrier going across the middle, and then like a hook point where the barrier folds down into. And then that would be on like a hinge or a rotor block. Or what we could do is remove the middle block, put a rotor in there, a small rotor head, build a small grid box that looks like a security box in there. And then of course you've got the small rotor, and then the barriers going either side. Yeah, but then that means we're restricted to the size of whatever vehicle we take down here, and let me see, I think 3 blocks is the width of the rover that's currently up on the moon. I was about to press F10 there to see the blueprint, but it's you can't do it in survival. So, but I think the rover we have up on the moon is 3 blocks in width, but in reality we need something that is sort of most of the width of this here, because we will be putting like large grid vehicles along here. So I think maybe putting the security box on its own post would be best. and then we can use like a small grid barrier and a wee light on it to go across. I think the idea for the security box can wait. It's just going to take up a lot of time, so what we will do is we'll just concentrate on doing the rest of this here base and get it sort of functional. Now, when I was saying earlier on about the roof, I don't want it to be flat, like just putting a load of blocks on it. I kind of want it to taper up, then go flat, and then taper down a bit. Maybe just do that on two sides and not bother like doing it into a like here as well. Just have it on two sides, and then that'll make use for the beam blocks as well, because I would like to use some of them. I was thinking of using some of them here anyway, like sort of going under there, but like sort of between these here blocks. So we'll see what we'll do there. I also want to use the beam blocks along here to make it look like the bridge is supported. Again, not necessary right now, and we do have other things to worry about. Let me just quickly check the ice. I just want to make sure nothing's filling up here. What is it? Station CC. Oh yeah, PSTC. So they're looking like they're coming up to a bit full now. There's quite a lot of ice, so what we can do is we can fill Voyage up with some ice. I want to see if we can try get a full tanker worth of it and take it to the base. And I know for a fact that's only like 3/4, and that's already filled up the entire base. So what'll happen is it'll start to overflow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the drills to stop and tell the rotor to stop spinning. Okay, that's that. Now let's figure out how we're going to do the roof. I think what we'll have to do is we'll have to raise them up anyway, them turrets, and then we'll put the rockets in between. Now the rockets can actually come off of this one here and pop out, so there'll be just two, so that would be beneficial. Them drills do need to be up high, and I think I might put some down here as well, just underneath, just for security. So let's get Voyage moved out of the way. I know it's doing up some plates, but we will get them in the future. Let's get into Voyage and move it. Let's just move it out of the way here temporarily. Let's put it down here. There we go. And just let her well away out there, the different stuff that it's doing. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. You see the reflection of Voyage there in it. It's sort of behind there. Okay. Let's figure out how we're going to work with this roof. How is this roof going to taper up? Well, what we could do is we could put flats here, and then it's going up. Yeah, let's try that. So you do need some of these. Let's see. Let's get some of those. What block is that? Heavy armor. Shift B, there we go. And we are using the digital armor, aren't we? Yeah, we are. That's okay. Let's just use the full armor. It's better for protection. But let's just get let's see. No, it's too far. And then we go up the ways. So we do need this one. Oh, that's gonna go there. And then we go for the slope, which is this one. That starts going up. That goes to there. Then that goes flat, and then when we get to sort of the middle, we can go up another bit. How does that look? Yeah, I do like the sound of that. So let's do that the rest of the way. Okay, that is the rest of the roof done up. I just need to get more plates and more, I think we need more metal grids. Let's just double check. We almost certainly do. There's 48 left in there, so I think we do have enough. Yeah, I think it's just metal plates we need. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, we have to do the other side here as well. I have been thinking of what to put here, and what I might actually do is put, oh yeah, that was the stuff that fell earlier on. Yeah, I need to get stuff to repair that. We need to get, I think it was getting them blast doors. Where's it to? These ones here. The airtight hangar doors, and put them going along here. They're 3 blocks tall, so they would go like along there, I think. Or yeah, no, they would go along the top there. Obviously that's going to come down a bit. It does look like a hangar, like a plane hangar, but I do like that. I think it's pretty cool. Let's actually get the colour of these here for the pipes done. So that's the air conveyor junction. See, Gatling guns are going, and the rocket turret. Oh, it's a missile. There it is. Okay, so these ones are going down first. If I have the colour. That's called the plate to do it. Do I not have a plate? Oh, I don't. Okay. Right, let's go back to the base and get that stuff. We do need a bunch of other things as well. What do we need? Small steel tubes and construction components, I reckon. Yeah. Let's get the whole lot anyway. Yeah. And a few batteries just to fix all this here stuff. Because I actually dropped a block when I was doing the roof and it busted them power cells. Alright. I'm actually thinking it would be wise to start getting those doors I was talking about put on now. What are the airtight hangar doors? There they are. So they are, yeah. Although we could run them along here as well, the bottom, so like it opens like that there. Sure, let's see. I might actually do a few things here. Oh, and the railing is going along there as well. Right, let's go back to the base and top up with some of that stuff. Okay, let's get these here done. Do you need some? Wonder what colour will do these. They do look like a nice colour, but let's do them in black. See the face, control panel face in the way. Okay, looks like the power station is more or less charged up fully. Again, if we are running low on juice, we can just put a few reactors in and that'll take care of the rest. That won't be hard. I think we've already run out of plates again, have we? Yeah. Right, yeah, we've run out of plates. Let's see what we'll do here. I might actually take this here down completely. And yeah, let's grind this all down. See what we're waiting on. I think it's just plates. Yeah, it's just literally more plates. Alright, let's go and get some of them. Okay, let's get that welded the rest of the way up. Looking good. Let's get them doors. Very good. Wonder if I can get rid of the paint job.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
And let's see. Oh yeah, we'll do these here in our fancy colors. And let's get them plates. And let's use these here. Beam blocks, like I said, that we put them across. Okay, let's get this here moved over so we can do the rest of that stuff. Okay, next thing to do is do the lights, so we're going to do them there now. That bridge is complete. Well, we're going to do support columns along them sooner or later, but let's get the lights done. And then the antenna. That'll do there, let's pop it down. Okay, right, let's go down and get them lights sorted. Actually, it makes sense to fill up with the stuff we need. So let me see, clear. We need this. And we need these. And some of these. There we go, that'll do. Right, let's go down. I'll open this here up first. Very nice. Okay. Interior light. Oh, I just thought of something. We'll hang these here and then put the lights on them. So let me see. Let's do every 2 or so just to see, or 3. See now, so 3. It's 3, yeah. And then interior light. And then some lights going around the edges. Nice. Now I just need to give them a good colour. And that'll be it. Okay, I do like the look of that now. That's everything set up, all the lights are set up. We are going to set up the laser antennas to go up along here. There will be a range of them. There won't be just 2, there'll be a range. One will be connected to the satellite, it'll be the master. And then the rest will be connecting to like various other planets. Like one to the alien, one to I think there's Titan, Earth-like. I can't remember exactly what they are. You see there's a mobile drilling platform there, must be coming in. The only thing is to get ammo on these guns. And I will get some of that as well. It is much needed. It probably makes sense to go and have like a separate repository that it just gets that and makes its own stuff, so it can be replenished fairly easily. But that's pretty much it. The next thing will be to put those laser antennas on the top. They'll not take long. They'll just stick them on. I'll not do it now because I'd rather do that whenever we go to get ready to put the pod on, or whatever thing is we're going to put up there. Again, if this here doesn't have enough power in it, we can just stick a load of reactors in it, and the reactors will take care of the power. So that's pretty much it. The next episode we will begin building some sort of a rover pod, something that's cheap. Like this thing will just have some hydrogen engine or hydrogen thrusters and tanks. Kind of similar to what you see here. I might actually build another Voyage. Yeah, without the builders. Exactly what you see there. Except if you replace the cargo container with a huge reactor on it. And a range of other reactors. Yeah. Just build it that it can support like a load of reactors on it. Fill it up with uranium. Connect it to this here. That's another thing as well. We won't be able to launch it from the base. Oh, we will if it's an antenna. Oh, another thing as well is we need to put an antenna on this. So there'll be a satellite dish coming out of here. So that's all we have to do in the next episode. Yeah, I think we're pretty much ready to build that. So again, just build another one of these, replace all that, and then send it off in the direction of Titan. So that's what's coming up in the next episode. Thanks again for watching. If you have any suggestions, any comments at all, put them in the comments below, or visit Discord channel is in the description. If you have any idea at all, regardless how bizarre, whatever it is, just put it in. It is nice to get a few ideas for this here series. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.